On 8th of August 2022. So guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today you can see that this is my Brazilian opuntia, which is simply called as prickly pear of Brazil, or you can also call it as the Brazilian prickly pear, and we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. Although we can see that there isn't any sort of like proper stem and leaves, so because it is cactus, so we have to take the pears, okay, pears which just represent which are just like leaves here, okay, or we can also say that these are stems. Okay, now we are just cutting them out with our pruner. Okay, and no need to be afraid, there isn't any sort of proper point. You can cut it from anywhere, even the small pit or anyone, okay. It will start rooting, and usually the success rate is 99% or 100% even, okay. Okay, now we will cut some more, and be careful of these splinters and thorns, because these are like very dangerous. Okay, now this is our next cutting. Okay, now this is our next cutting, like this. Okay, now we will take one more. Okay, now we got this one. Okay, always try to wear the rubber gloves, okay, which can at least reduce the impact of these thorns, okay. So now one more cutting. Okay, now we will take it out, okay, like this. Okay, so now we will just like place them in shade for about like 4 to 5 days or even more, okay. Even you can even like plant them after 10 days, okay, after they become healed. And okay, now you can see there these are 3, 4 and 5 cuttings are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 cuttings are there. So now we will keep them in shade, so when they will healed up, okay, then we will try to put them in the media. Now okay, even if someone wants to just like put it in the soil, he can, okay. So on 12th of August 2022, now you can see that we have taken our media and 4 disposable glasses, and our media consists of like sand and simple garden soil. Okay, now you can see that they are a little bit now dried up, okay, because 4 days are passed and they are entirely in full sunlight, okay. So that's why. Okay, now this is our media, and it is a well drainage media. Well drainage means that when we put some water, it will just come from the down drainage hole, okay. So now we are putting this media into our disposable glass. And if you want to like use any other media like simple even mud or some mixture of like compost and sand or sand and garden soil, everything is going to work, okay. But be aware that if there is water logging inside the media, it can like there is a chance of, although it is less, but there is still a chance of a root rot, okay. Now we are filling the second glass with our media. Okay, now we will put this media like this, okay. Okay, now this, put it. Okay, now this one. Now we have put all of our media into these disposable glasses. Now this is and this one. Okay, now we need to water them out. Okay, and first time you need to water it heavily so that all the media will become wet. Okay, so we will level it out. Level it out means that we have to press the media, okay, so that all the media surface will become equally distributed, like, okay, so like this. Now we will put it in the media, one of the healthy stems. We can use forceps, but I don't have forceps today, so I'm just putting it out like this. Now we will take the second one. Okay, this one. Okay, now we will put it like this. Okay, now just cover their lower parts. Okay, don't put too much deep. Okay, just like even like 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter is enough. Okay, 1 inch is enough inside the media. So now we will put them in shade and we will wait for the results. I will also like put all the rest of the cuttings into the media, okay, when I will get some free time. Okay, after like on 5th of October 2022, too much days passed, and I think that I have given one of the cactus to one of my friend, and this is the second one. Now it has shows a lot of growth, and you can see the root ball. Its roots are very, like, its rooting system is very, okay, very heavily dispersed and strong, because we can't pull it out with our forceps. Okay, so now I will try to break the media. We will try to squeeze it out. Okay, now because too much time is passed. Okay, now this is, you can see that too much roots are there, very heavily. Okay, it has a lot of roots. Okay, so this is our result. Okay, and there is a lot of growth on the rooting side. Okay, now you can see that this is our progress, and as compared to other opuntias, its growth is relatively fast. Okay, this opuntia, that is opuntia brasilia, growth rate is very high. Okay, so thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.